Okay guys, so today we're gonna wrap the front bumper. This is the last video for the full wrap for the Supra, okay? I'm gonna show you how to wrap a front bumper. Let's do it! Okay guys, we're ready to wrap the front bumper. For this one, I only have to remove those two bolts, two here, and it has 3 8mm, 1, 2, 3 over there. And on the top it has more. You can remove this one. I'm gonna put it there for now. So it has one, let me see, it has one more here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 bolts, and with that I can unclip only the top to have a little bit of space to tuck it under the headline, and that's it. And I have to remove this vent. Okay, so let's start with the installation. Okay, now it's ready. I already removed the screws from here, these bends. Okay, and here I have a space to tuck this under the headlight. Okay, let me show you everything is ready for the wrap. Let's see, you can see it better like that. You can see, I can lift it here, so you can move it here. So I have a space over there. I already moved this vent and we're ready. Okay, my next step is to put the knifeless tape, because I'm gonna wrap only till here, like the way I did it before. But if I was going to do the full bumper, I will put an inlay in here. So inlay here, inlay inside here, inside there, and then the top part. Okay. If you don't know how to do inlays, I have that on my training. The link is on the description of the video down below. And if you are already watching my training, click on the video how to install inlays. Okay, so let's continue with the installation. Okay, first I'm gonna place knifeless tape, because this is the area that I want to cut for the wrap. Okay, I don't want to go all the way down. And after that, I'm gonna remove the Toyota badge, okay, because it's easier like that. And after that, I'm gonna place masking tape on areas that I don't want the wrap to stick. It's easier like this. It will make your life easier. So after that, let's place the sheet on top, and let's start with the middle. Okay, I always like to start with the middle, the heat gun, stretch the material, use the heat gun, and then stretch until you get it without wrinkles. Okay, leave the material to get rid of the wrinkles. Okay, so the heat gun is your friend in this situation. Okay, and then continue conforming the material to the curve of the bumper. The Supra has this deep curve, a deep hole for the bend, and I didn't want to do it in 2 pieces. But if it's too hard for you, I recommended doing in 2 pieces. So you can do an inlay or 2 pieces from the bend to the back. Okay, but I in this one I did it in 1 piece, but it's a little bit more harder to do it in 1 piece. You have to stretch a lot. Remember to cut, when you're cutting the edges, leave a little bit extra to tuck under the bumper. And you can conform that. The glove is very important too. It will help you to conform the vinyl without using the squeegee. But use the squeegee too, use the glove, the heat gun, especially in the deep corners, use the heat gun, okay, to prevent over stretching. And here is the same thing. Stretch the material, make sure there is no wrinkle, leave the material. And here I hit it too much and I made a hole, so I had to move the full sheet down. So accidents can happen. So what I did, I just moved the sheet till where I can hide it from the cut of the knifeless tape. So in here, remember, use the heat gun to conform the material to the bumper, and this area I have the vent hole. So this is the hardest part on the Supra, but for you, if you are a beginner, I recommend doing 2 pieces. If you are 2 pieces, it should be very easy. But I decided not to have a seam in there, so I did it in 1 piece, but it's very hard if you do it in 1 piece. But it's possible. If you wanna do it, it's possible. Okay, so in here I'm cutting the material. Make sure you leave extra for to tuck under this area, under the spoiler, okay, on the sides or the corners. Okay, so in here I just cut the material, remove with the knifeless tape. Now on this area I'm cutting the excess material, pulling the material all the way to the edge, but this bumper has an area that is hard, like in here, right on the left side, on the bottom, in that area you have to use a lot of heat, this one, okay, because if you don't use a lot of heat, it will pull back. You have to kill the memory of the material for prevent this area from lifting. After you see that it's not lifting anymore, it's okay, you can continue cutting the other areas, and then use post heat to prevent the corners from lifting. Okay, now in here you can see how it looks. It looks awesome. Look at this, look at that, all the edges super nice and clean. Remember to do a post heat, because if you not do a post heat, some areas they will lift. Okay, so do a post heat after everything is done, and you are done with the bumper. Okay guys, you can see it there. It looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Sorry that it's raining today and it's windy. I hope you can hear me. You can see the car. Looks awesome. Look at that. It's amazing. Yes. I still have to do to put the top spoiler back, but I need to clean the spoiler, the double-sided tape. But you can see it how it looks right now. Looks great. I added the wrap on the spoilers there, and I have a banner in black, in matte black. So it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, the wrap is on the car. Look at that. It looks amazing. Okay, this is done for the full wrap. I added some pieces like the front lip on the spoilers. I added a wrap, a banner, and the blessed decal on the windshield too. Okay, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay, if you wanna learn how to wrap a car like this, my course link is in the description down below, with more tips and tricks how to do a wrap. Okay, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one. If you like the video, please like the video, and see you on the next video.